Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashley here. I have a kind of different kind of unboxing for you. So the first one is something really cool I found at Sam's Club that I'm totally going to try. Wait till you see it. And then there's two other little things that I purchased, throughout the last couple of weeks that I unboxed. There'll be music through those, but they're really cool, and one's a friend mail, so just wait and see. So this is what I found at Sam's Club. Look at it! It's a Harry Potter crochet kit. So at the retreat that we just went to not too long ago, there was a crocheting class and I failed miserably. But these are little critters. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my gosh. So it was, $14.98 at my Sam's Club, and I'm in Missouri. And look, you get a wand crochet hook. So I wanted to try it one more time, okay? So it says instructions to create. Harry, Ron, Hermione, Dobby, Hagrid, Dumbledore, Snape, McGonagall, Voldemort, Ginny, the Sorting Hat, Hedwig. Hey, Rebecca knows how to do the Sorting Hat. I'm assuming mine's gonna be tiny, but still. Norbert the Dragon, and Student Robes and Scarves. Woo! Oh, this is going to be awesome. Now it says crochet 14 magical projects from the Harry Potter films. So I'm guessing it has enough to do all 14? Yeah? An even tiny adorable Hedwig owl. Oh. Contains illustrated instruction book that guides you step by step. We'll see how good that instruction book is. It has pictures though, so we'll see. I don't know. Harry Potter Dobby, 9 colors of yarn, embroidery thread. So it has yarn and thread. Ooh, this sounds out of my league already. How am I going to do both? I don't know. Crochet hook shaped like Harry's wand, stuffing. Oh, we're gonna stuff it. Plastic safety eyes. What? What are plastic safety eyes? Oh, it's probably those. Their eyes, not my eyes. Okay, fine. And a yarn needle. Unless they give you safety goggles so you don't poke your eye out with a needle. Maybe, I don't know. Lucy Collin has combined her passion for designing creatures and characters with her love of science fiction and fantasy. She has created patterns for the book Hollywood Crochet, and is the author of, oh no, she's the author of what? Star Wars Crochet? Oh Lord. Wait until Kerwin gets a load of this. He's like, we need to go find the Star Wars one. After I master this in 1,200 years. We'll see. I'm going to seriously try to make Marissa proud with this, because not only my good pal Marissa is a huge Harry Potter fan, but she has some mad crocheting skills. She tried to teach, she did the class at the retreat, but through no fault of her own. I don't do any yarn crafts, as most of you probably know by now. I have tried. I get tangled in the yarn or something. I don't know. It just doesn't agree with me. How do I open this? My God. There we go. Oh, we're doing it upside down. That's why. All right. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So here's the, I guess yarn, maybe. There's embroidery stuff in here too. So here's what I get. Silver. This looks like black. Off-white. There's, this red, yellow, brown. This looks like a hair bun. White, gray, silver. Yeah, which is a little bit darker than this other silver. Okay. What's in this secret compartment? Oh, there's literally nothing in that secret compartment. Okay. I got all excited. Okay, now I have what is this? So this looks like, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, so this, oh my God. This is the, I'm assuming the embroidery stuff. Yeah. And then a needle. Don't poke your eye out. Oh, look, I guess this is their, yeah, these are their widow eyes. Imagine these staring at you right into your soul. Don't lose the eyes. And then you have whatever these white doohickeys are and whatever, oh, another eye, another set of eyes. Maybe we don't have enough to do all of them, because if my calculations are correct, 4 eyes equal 2 characters. So maybe you get to choose from them. Who knows? Okay. Are these a secret compartment? Is it? Is it? Nope. I'm gonna go with no. Okay. Let's shove these back in their little container. How do I get the wand out? Oh, I forgot to put that back in there. Oopsie poopsie, I'll do that later. There we go. I got the book. We'll look at that in a second. I gotta check this out. Haha. Woohoo! Look at it! It's a little crochet hook! And it's a wand. Ooh. It looks like chocolate. I want to eat it. But we won't. Ooh, is there a secret in here? Oh my gosh, there is. I found a secret. I'm just really excited that there was a secret compartment with something in it, because I was really hoping, oh, that one's not a secret compartment. I was just really excited about that because, like, it's Harry Potter, man. Now, I'm kind of curious. How are you going to give me all this stuffing, but only 4 eyes? Okay, I don't know. Let's just look. Does this tell me how much of each I get? No. Wand hook. Oh, wait, I see. It says right here, includes everything you need to make Harry Potter and Dobby with his sock. But this says Crochet 14 Magic Projects from the Harry Potter films. Huh, I don't know. Let's just look at the book here. Whew, this is a nice, like, chapter book. Woohoo! Let's see what this has. So we should be able to make Harry Potter and Dobby. Ugh. Oh, are these the instructions? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm so funny. Okay. Introduction about this kit. Ooh, it has an abbreviation chart. Solid, because I won't know what anything means. So that's helpful. Notes, tools, material. So different projects. Okay, cool, cool. Now, I'm obviously not going to, like, go through every single word and everything. Oh, look. About this kit. Let me move you forward so I can have this closer to me. So, yeah, you get 2 of those things. It was 4, so I got the right. Kit contains the tools and materials you will need to make Harry and Dobby. Oh, it's a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook fashioned to look like Harry's wand. A yarn needle, 9 colors of yarn, embroidery, floss, safety eyes, and stuffing. Like, I wonder what the non-safe eyes are. Like, what's with the safety eyes? Abbreviation chart. Let's see. Blow. Yeah, I would have saw that and been like, what? What kind of book? What kind of pattern is this? Back loop only. Okay, cool. DC. Ooh, DC Bob. Bobble stitch. What? So does it tell me what a bobble is? What's a bobble? Flow? Faux? PM means private message. Oh, or placemaker. Apparently. Oh. Whoa. Single crochet together. Okay, well, cool. Hey, yo. Yo, yo, what's up? Yarn over. Okay. Notes on tools and material. Have been made using double knitting weight yarn. Double knitting weight yarn, 3 light. But you can also use Worcestershire weight yarn, 4 medium. It is best to use the same weight of yarn. Hey, Marissa told us in that class, use the same weight, and I didn't know. Yeah, that was a thing. Yarn doesn't weigh that much, it seems like. But who knows anything? I definitely don't. Anyway, the patterns work best if you use acrylic yarn or acrylic with some wool content. Okay, Stitch markers. These are sometimes necessary to mark specific stitches for your orientation later. Also because most amigurumi is worked in continuous spiral without joining. I don't know what the hell this is talking about. Hey, look. Stuffing. I recommend polyester, pins and needles, round-headed sewing pins. Oh, look at those. Plastic eyes. Oh, plastic safety eyes are available in all sizes and colors. Patterned will indicate how many stitches apart the eyes should be to secure the eyes. Okay, fine. What? Put the eye shaft. Ugh. Ugh. So there's Harry Potter and his owl. Oh, look at the figures. Ooh. Ah. Oh man, this got real. You gonna go from this little thing. Oh my god. Let's see what some of these instructions sound like. Okay, tell me how to do a slip knot. Most crochet starts with a slip knot. To begin, make a very loose knot with your yarn. Insert your hook through the middle of the knot from behind and pull the end of the yarn that is connected to the skein? Okay. Through, what's a skein? Through the loop to make a slip knot on your hook. Do you think that we should try to do that? Let's see if Crashley is going to be able to follow these instructions. This is like hardly any of this color, so I'm just gonna test this on this, okay? I'll just remember how to retie it. Let's see. I'm gonna put that in a knot probably. Let's see if we can do this. So it says, what does it say? Oh, it starts with a slip knot. To begin, make a very loose knot with your yarn. Okay, so this is how I make a knot. Like this. Is this how everyone makes? Oops, sorry, you're not seeing me. Hold on, I'll show you again. This is how I make a knot. Bam, a knot. Okay. Now what does it say to do? Insert your hook through the middle of the knot from behind. Hook, knot in the middle, but from behind. Okay, okay. And pull the end of the yarn that is connected to the skein. I'm assuming it's the long piece. Through the loop to make a slip knot on your hook. So I'm assuming this is the right one. Okay, so we're just gonna try to grab this here. Okay, we don't want to undo this, so we're gonna try to. Okay, was the needle really necessary? Just to pull it through. Did I do it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, look at me now. Does it slip? Oh, it does! It does! Oh, guys, there might be hope for me yet. Oh, this is a good moment for me. Wow. Okay. Is it weird that I want to keep going? Yarn over to make a crochet stitch. You need to pass the yarn over the hook from back to front. Okay. And then you pull. Okay, I meant to into it. Sorry. But based off of that, I made a slip knot following this, so maybe, baby, I think I can do this. Victory is mine. Oh my god, look at that guy. He's not sleeping next to me at night, because that is weird. Look at that. I don't even know. I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for that. Oh, we're stitching the... Okay, we're stitching some smiles. Ooh, French knot. Ooh, fancy. Okay. A word on wands. What is a witch or wizard without a wand? Okay. Well, now that's going to tell me how to do a wand, I guess. Head and body. Wait, so these are the actual... CH2. Okay, I really hope these aren't the actual instructions I have to follow. CH2. Ch2. Work 6. Suk. Into first ch. 6. St. Oh my god. Oh my god. I kind of just lost... I lost faith. Yep. I did. I'm still gonna try, don't get me wrong. Oh my god, that's a lot of hair. But look at all these. It's like patterns for, what are we doing here? What is this? Pink powder blusher and cotton swab. Oh, we're gonna give him some. Oh, it's because he has scary eyes. Look at that. That's hilarious. Oh. What the hell? Oh, these are for the robes. Look at this, you guys. I don't know about that. I don't know. Ooh, Snape, Snape, Severus Snape. Have you guys ever heard that song? Jenny. That's my mom-in-law's name. Ooh, you get that. You get that broom, girl. Get him. Ride him, cowboy. Okay. Oh, look at that guy. Aw. Those aren't part of the safety eyes. His eyes are more dangerous. Okay, you guys. I am going to be giving this a try. I don't know if I'm going to do it in a live because I'm probably going to fail miserably. I'll probably have to include a disclosure in that video of me trying to do this about, you know, cuss words being involved because, whoo, me and Yarn. I don't know. I tackled that slip knot though. Y'all see that? That was me. I did that slip knot. Anyway, I will keep you guys updated on my progress with this. So if you're new, subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you thought this was fun. And yeah, let me know if you've ever made any of these characters. I'm kind of curious if you have any tips or tricks or anything I should know. Should I get some alcohol? You know, what I gotta do here, huh? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.